Well, hello, Tara. Basically, I was thinking about your work, and I think maybe what we finally, because we changed in the middle as you were doing something with the strategy, and then when we moved into the machine learning, that what is actually missing here is the connection, is the nexus between what you've done first and what you've done later. And what you've done later, well, the nexus that is missing is the connection, is the actual profit. So have a look at this code here that I generated. Basically, this code actually asking ChatGPT to do the things for me. Basically asking write a Python code and blah blah blah. And I've just curated a little bit. And here's the Python code. So that is getting the data. So please change the data to match the time that you're working. And we're doing some feature transformation here to create the Y and the X, and then applying a LSTM model, and then at the end doing the signals, buy and sell, and then doing the investment of $1,000 every time. So if we're making a profit, we're making a loss in every single option. And to see here that we would be making a very big loss if we use this strategy with one variable. So even using machine learning with with one single variable, the problem here is that this would actually make a loss. So what we need is on the other two files that you have created, the idea here is you either come here and implement on here the same variables in this file that I'm sharing with you, to see if we actually get the same profit. So we need to combine everything. We need the same metric before and after. And if we have a good profit after, that you said we got a good accuracy, but if we get a good profit later, then we can use this as like the comparison that we have done. But what you need is to implement this idea. So I think whatever is best for you, get the model, the creation of the variables, and change this one here. Let's say this is the baseline, and then you work on this code creating the variables that are already on the initial one that I gave you. Adapt this one to come up with the profit as well, and see if we are actually making a profit. And then we have comparison using the same metric with your strategy and the models that you have created with the same metric, that is profit. Make sure you get the same time frame here, and then with that, I think we find without even bothering with too many other variables. It depends on the result. So please try this out. This connects everything. I'm also concerned that the thing is a little bit disconnected. That is what we tried with you have tried several things, and we changed it for a reason, but we lost the connection. And I think it's the only thing we need for a good capstone is the connection. And I think the connection can be on profit. And I'm not sure if the investment on your first one was 1,000, so maybe it was at $1. So basically you change here, and that will make the loss 660, not 1,000 every time you make a profit or loss. So just to be at the same size, okay? See if you have any question, we talk tomorrow, okay? Hope you watch the video before tomorrow.